We are going to start off by building the main inside of our cake pop. So I have here a 5-inch square cake crumbled. This is a red cake, a normal sponge cake colored into red and then crumbled, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of our melted white chocolate. So let us start making it. Into this mixing bowl I'm going to drop in my crumbs and my white chocolate, about 2 tablespoons or so of this. Now as my cake is a oil cake, that would not set if we keep this in the refrigerator. That is the reason behind me using the white chocolate over here. So I'm going to mix this really well like this until it forms a dough, clumps all together really well. I have added about 2 more tablespoons of melted chocolate and these crumbs are coming really together well. You can see if you roll this like this, they should not form a crack. They are rolling really well. So now let's prepare our shapes. Now I'm going to keep our mixture in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it stiffens up a little bit and it's easier to work with it. Here I have a butter paper. I'm going to place a big chunk of our mixture and press it down a little bit. Now I'm going to take this heart-shaped cookie cutter and cut it down. Now I'm going to even the top. Now press down firmly to take out your heart. Here I have a dumpling of our chilled mixture. I'm going to take a cookie cutter, heart shaped, and press it down. Now slowly yet firmly take this out. So our heart is ready. I'm going to place this in a plate. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes so that they are a little bit firm, and then after that we are going to work with these. So our hearts are quite firm now. Now we are going to square in our skewers. You can also use some lollipop sticks, but these are easily available, so I am using these. So I am going to skewer this. I am going to dip the square in melted chocolate. This is milk chocolate. You can also use white or dark. Now take this and insert it inside it about halfway through. This chocolate works as a glue for this, so be generous with that. Our hearts are resting like this now. Now we are going to wait until the chocolate is set and these are firm. You can also pop these in the freezer or the refrigerator, but I am going to leave this like this only. So our skewers are stuck to it. Now we are going to take the skewer and dip this in some chocolate. Make sure the chocolate is coating very well. Lightly tap it. Be sure you are tapping very lightly. Now you can keep these to set just as they are in a cake pop stand or a colander like this. Or you can decorate these, but before decorating make sure the chocolate is little bit set, just little bit, so that it's not quite runny like this. Chocolate and coconut always work so well, so here I have some coconut. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit over here. So you can arrange your cake pops like so. Here I have some silver beads. Here I have some confetti sprinkles. You can also use heart-shaped sprinkles.